The cold, wet weather continues. Matter of fact, we have some soakers around San Antonio between, let's say, downtown and the northeast side where there is some thunder and lightning moving through at this hour. And we'll continue to see that trend through at least the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow morning. We'll talk about that in a second. First, let's chat about the trend going into this weekend and next week. Just a sneak peek at preparing for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Tomorrow, a little warmer, upper 60s, near 80 on Thursday, a little cooler on Friday, and then we're really ramping things up near 80 degrees Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and even most of next week as these temperatures continue to trend upward. Normal high this time of year is like 64. We'll be near 80 on most days next week, so get ready for that. Now, it's still cold outside. Temperatures pacing like right around 55, 54 degrees right now. Here's radar. Most of it has exited the hill country, now confined towards the I-35 corridor. So let's talk about where the rain is falling the most right now. We'll zoom in on to this area, for example. There's I-10, Heebner, there's Leon Valley. Not a lot of lightning associated with this thunderstorm. Technically, it is one. Non-severe, but providing some pretty good soaking downpours between, let's say, Bandera Road, I-10. Heebner's right about there, days of follow, so some pretty good downpours and heavy rain on the city's northwest side. Towards the east, China Grove, Kirby, eastern Bexar County, more of a moderate rain right now, not so much of the red color popping through on reflectivity at this hour. Zooming out, we have more moisture moving in our direction, so I think we maintain this wet pattern through about midnight and 1 a.m. And matter of fact, I think we maintain more light rain through about, let's say, sunrise tomorrow morning. So with cold weather and wet weather moving through for the next 6 to 8 hours, that is definitely going to impact the morning commute. Take your time tomorrow, leave a little extra early. Here's how much rain fell in the area. These are radar estimates. On average, between a ½ inch to about 2 inches in some localized areas between 281 and I-10, not too far from the Dominions and let's say Fair Oaks Ranch. Some of the radars picking up upwards of 2 inches of rain and today alone, so not too bad, especially with our drought situation. We do like that beneficial rain. All right, there's 57 on the thermometer, 55 at Kerrville, 53 at Del Rio. Warmer, more mild air east. With the cloud cover and the rain, temperatures are really not going to cool off that much. I think we bottom out around 53 to 54 tomorrow morning, so not much of a cool down from where we are right now. Lower 50s with some upper 40s being picked up by early Wednesday around 6 and 7. Here's the hour by hour. By about 6 and 7 a.m., more areas of very light precip, maybe some drizzle through tomorrow morning. And then watch what happens through tomorrow afternoon. Mostly heavier action confined towards Beeville, Victoria, the Coastal Bend, and towards Corpus Christi and Port Lavaca, where some of the models painting out upwards of 2 inches of rain. Not much additional rain expected for San Antonio, maybe a 1/10 of an inch at best, but the heaviest downpours will be mainly east for tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. All right, so tomorrow, a little warmer, upper 60s, near 78 on Thursday, back down on Friday. This weekend and pretty much all of next week, we're staying warm. Normal high this time of year, 64. We'll be near 80 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and for Christmas Day, a high of about 80, partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies.